Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP on the Binance app. First, download the official Binance application from your device's app store. Next, you'll need to register for an account and complete the identity verification process. This crucial step ensures the security of your funds and compliance with regulations. Make sure your account is fully verified before proceeding to the next steps. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars, using a bank transfer or a debit card directly through the app. Another option is to transfer existing cryptocurrency from an external wallet. Always double-check the deposit address. After the transaction, confirm that the funds are visible in your Binance Spot wallet. Now, let's buy some XRP. Go to the Trade section within the app and select Spot Trading. Use the search bar to find the XRP trading pair you prefer, for example, XRP versus USD. Choose Buy, enter the amount of XRP you wish to purchase or the amount of currency you want to spend. Review your order details carefully, then confirm the transaction. Congratulations, you've successfully purchased XRP. Your new XRP holdings will now be visible in your Spot wallet within the Binance app. For enhanced security, especially with larger amounts, consider transferring your XRP to a secure cold storage wallet. Always stay informed about market trends and any news related to XRP to make informed decisions about your investment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.